Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this vlog we explore Kefalonia, so enjoy! We have landed in Kefalonia. We haven't checked into our Airbnb yet, but we've left our stuff there. Right next to our street is another street, and that street is our surname. So this is pretty cool for all my family. My great-great-great-grandfather, his roots came from Kefalonia. Kefalonia seems to be really beautiful. We ended up having an Airbnb in like a strip of shops here. So I'm very excited to explore and see and do a lot here.
Everyone's got an hour around the world.
We're here at Belia Plaka, which is a Greek restaurant here in Kefalonia, and it's looking really incredible. There's lots of Greek around me, like I don't hear any other English speaking people, so we've been recommended by a few locals actually to try this place. George, are you excited to try this food?
Am I excited to try the food? I am, because as soon as I came in here I saw all the plates and everything, and they looked pretty homemade. Yeah, the massive, like Greek-sized servings. So hopefully, once I have a good taste, those home-grown flavours will just come in, you know?
We're here at 4:30. Apparently they close at 6, so they only do lunch services, which is fine, it's not an issue, but there's not much food left. They don't cook for you like on the spot. It looks really, really cool, so I'm very excited to try this food. I'm in love with this painting and I want it in my kitchen. This, you can see the food straight from the tapsia, from the pans and the casseroles. Look at the yemista. Oh wow. Ooh. This is how they serve it. It's really cute here. It's also along the waterfront of the little marina here. I'll show you. More of these paintings. I love these paintings. Alright, we've just got given oh, it's so soft. Some 2 loaves of bread with our drinks. We ordered the local wine, but it's very dry, and I only like sweet wine, so I'm not a fan of that. Alright, we've just got given all of our food. Some horta. This looks like a couscous quinoa salad, I think. Some yemista, which is stuffed vegetables. Tomato feta with some like ruskets. This is kind of like a spanakorizo, but it's not. It's very similar, they said. Some more horta. Souvlaki with some spaghetti, which is some rissoles. So let's just... Oh, this is so good. Okay, so I've got my plate, which you guys are going to see right now. This is my plate. I have literally a bit of absolutely everything on my plate. It doesn't look that appealing because it's not just one dish, but we've just like taken bits and just put them on. We're going to try a bit of everything. So the bread. Nice bread. It's good bread. First, I want to try the rusket with the tomato and the cheese. That's a good opener. Next, we're going to taste some of the little like couscous quinoa salad that they've got here. That's very fresh, very refreshing. I like that. So far, everything's been pretty good. Next, we'll try some horta. These are wild green leaves. It's called horta in Greek, but it's wild green leaves that they find in the mountains, God knows where. That's actually really good. Next, we'll try the souvlaki, which is little meatball with risol kind of style. That is so soft. That was very nice. Next we try the like spanakorizo, spinach and rice like mix. I don't know what this is called, but she described it as very similar to that taste. That's nice too. Next I'm going to try the yemista, which my brother said was absolutely amazing. So I've got high expectations for this just based on what he said.
More garlic.
Yeah, it's more yemista. This is actually really nice. That yemista is good. So we're gonna try the moussaka.
Better than fucking juicy, I tell you.
The moussaka, the bolognese like mix that they make is just a little bit on the dry side, but it still tastes amazing for the flavours of the vegetables and the bechamel. This is good. I'm happy with this meal. I probably will say this is the best meal that we've had in Greece so far. I think I know why the locals come here, because it's good and it's quite affordable too. I don't see any other tourists here, or hear any other tourists here except for us. We just got given this free dessert, which is an ekmek. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Free dessert on the house. Cheers. Yum. This is good. Oh my god, there's a Rolex? What the heck? Wait, what? We're down the shopping little alleyway that we found. We just got some breakfast to start the day. We've got some banana granola, Greek yogurt with some honey. The yogurt's a bit on the sour side, but it's like pure Greek yogurt, so the honey makes it nice and sweet, and it just incorporates all the flavours and the textures really nicely together. But a big breakfast, their version of a big breakfast, which is 2 eggs, some cheese balls, little tomatoes, little sausages, mushrooms, bacon, beans, and some bread, which reminds me a lot of home. And this here is a little tomato feta egg omelette style on a like rusket piece of toast. This is what we would order back in Melbourne, and I'm loving it. We're here at Kalamaki Beach here in Kefalonia, and it's very pretty. Oh my god, it's beautiful here. Wow. Let's look at this view, guys. So we're at our boat cruise. I'll show you from the front of the boat. It's the top deck, but we're going to stay down here on the bottom, and we can lie down here. I hope you can see how beautiful the water looks, because the sun's out, so the water looks just incredible.
I'm in Greece. I can do anything I want.
Oh, lovely. So we just ate here at Paprika Grill House, which is a souvlaki grill house. I have to say, the service was quite horrible. However, the food kind of makes up for it, because we did really enjoy our souvlaki. I got a chicken skewer wrap, which I added onion and took away the chips. I'm just not a fan of it, and it was very nice. I told them to get rid of this master sauce they had in there and instead put tzatziki. So I think with all those alterations, it just made the perfect like souvlaki for me. So I was very happy with the food. Once again, the service was poor. We moved tables twice, and on the third table is where we situated. They kept moving us around. Yeah, we were not happy about that. And there was just really bad communication.
Well, food was not too bad. I got a chicken gyros and a kebab. I did not enjoy the kebab. The chicken gyro there, I did. I asked for them to remove the master sauce or sauce, whatever you want to call it, and put tzatziki in it. I told them to get rid of the fries, and it was nice. But they had like only tomato and lettuce, which confused me, because like, where's the onion? You know, like, I need my fucking onion. So I said, put the onion or else. No. So they added onion as well, and no, it was nice. His chicken gyros was good. I liked it. Service, wasn't a fan.
Oh, look at that.
I'm also missing is fried fucking chicken. I want fried chicken.
So we've been here in Kefalonia. We've stayed 4 nights, so tonight is our last night and we leave tomorrow. My reviews on Kefalonia, it's a beautiful island. I will come back here in a heartbeat. We did this boat cruise yesterday and it was incredible. I'm going to put the name of the boat cruise like in this video, so that way you guys know. I think it was Dreamy Cruises or something. Crew on board were just incredible. They were so lively, they were so friendly, great vibe, great food. They served us lunch, they provided lunch for us. I loved it. It was such a yummy lunch. And the swimming spots were really good. It was a bit windy yesterday, so we couldn't swim at one of the places. Yeah, very choppy waters. We're staying in Argostoli. And this place is amazing. I love it. There's just so many shops, so many restaurants, so much things to see and do.
Squeeze the lemon, trunk.
Pull the lever, Krong.
That's
Saganaki, Greek salad. Oh, yummy. We just got our food. I got the chicken skewers. It's got slice of lemon, pita bread, chips, onion, tomatoes, and some tzatziki. And this is the rest of our food. It's a bit windy. Let's begin. Let's try our chicken skewers. They're quite dry, which is the same issue we had this morning when we were here. It seems to be a bit of a consistency of dry meat. Hello everybody, we have just made it to Athens. We flew from Kefalonia airport. Our flight was delayed by an hour and a half, but I will tell you, even though it was delayed, it was the quickest boarding and takeoff I've ever experienced. It's probably like 15 minutes boarding for everyone to get on. They started the engines and then took off. Even with the delay, we got here pretty quickly. Sorry for such an abrupt end to this vlog in Kefalonia. Please enjoy some photos that I was able to take while our time in Kefalonia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, bye!